welcome to my channel. Today I came before you with a new grammar subject, adjectives. Everyone knew about what is adjective, isn't it? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. When we want to write a sentence in English, by using describing words, we can make it more beautiful and more interesting. This is the main usage of adjectives. Adjective means to describe something, to describe a noun. Here, commonly it says it's a word that describes a noun. Usually we are using it before a noun. Do you know what do you mean noun? Noun means the names of something, names of person, place, things, etc. Isn't it? So it is also used to describe people, places, animal, things, etc. So we have to know that adjectives is a word which describes a noun. If it is a noun, we have to choose like sari. By using the adjectives beautiful, we can make it more beautiful, isn't it? It's a beautiful sari, like it's going on. Like we can give more description to the noun, which make it more beautiful and more interesting, more attractive, isn't it? Such kind of words we can say as adjectives. Adjective means describing words. It also used to describe people, places, animals, things, etc. Adjective makes sentences more attractive. When we write the describing words before the nouns, it also makes the sentence more attractive than the usual sentences. So we have to say that adjectives make sentences more attractive and interesting one. For example, this is a sari. It is a usually we are using this sentence. This is a sari. But the next one is sentence with adjective. How we can write it with adjective and what will happen in that common sentence, that we can see it here. When we are adding this adjective with this simple sentence, this is a sari, we can make it more attractive and more beautiful. So we can write like this as, this is a beautiful sari with gorgeous design. By using the adjectives beautiful and gorgeous, it make it more beautiful and attractive, this sentence, isn't it? So by using this adjective, we can make the sentence more attractive and more beautiful than the common sentences. Adjective tell us the quality, condition, size, color of nouns, etc. There are different kind of adjectives. Through the adjectives we can know the quality of noun, what is the condition of the noun, and what is the size of the noun. Adjective tell us the quality, condition, size, color of nouns. According to the usages of adjectives, we can know what's the quality of the noun and what is the condition and what's the size of that and the color of nouns. There are different kinds of adjectives. We can classify these adjectives into different types. Mainly we can classify it into 5. First one, descriptive adjectives, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives and possessive adjectives. In descriptive adjectives, tells about the quality of noun. Through these adjectives we can know which is the quality the noun has. Example, this mountain has deep valleys. Here the mountain has deep valleys. It is saying about, this sentence states about the mountain valleys. How it is? What's the quality of that valleys? It is deep. That is descriptive adjectives. Deep valleys. This mountain has deep valleys. Everything has arranged in a right manner. Next thing, in which manner it has arranged? Everything has arranged in a right manner. Which manner? Right manner. That is descriptive adjectives. So descriptive adjectives tells about the quality of noun. The next one, adjectives of number. This adjectives answers the questions by using how many or how much. If you want to get the adjectives of number, we can ask this question to the answer how many and how much. For example, there are 35 parrots in my garden. In the sentence, 35 number shows the adjectives of number. If you want to know the adjectives of number from a sentence, we have to ask the two questions, how many or how much. According to the questions, we have to use that. So, here 35 parrots is the adjectives of number. The next example is, how many friends do you have? By using the question word how many, the question has asked here. So, this is the answer is the adjectives of number. The next thing, is there any chocolates in your bag? Is there any chocolates in your bag? The answer of the number of chocolates considered as the adjectives of number. In this kind, we can know the adjectives of number. The next type is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives shows the demonstration this, these, that and those. So by using these adjectives, we can show the demonstrative adjectives. Example, these apples are fresh. This demonstrating which apples are fresh. The next example is this your phone? It is asking, is this your phone? The next one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives such as what, which, whose are used with nouns to ask question. In the interrogative sentences also you already know that interrogative sentence means the sentences which ask questions. Here the next one, interrogative adjectives. The adjectives which we can ask question to others, like the question words such as what, which, whose, etc. By using these adjectives, these interrogative adjectives, we can ask question to others. So interrogative adjective means the interrogative adjectives such as what, which, whose are used with nouns to ask questions. We are using these kind of question words with nouns to ask question to others. By using these question words, we can ask so many questions. I have given only 2 questions here. Whose book is this? By asking this interrogative adjectives, asking to others that whose book is this? Who is the owner of this book? And which is your favorite movie? By using the interrogative adjective which with a noun, we can ask this question that which is your favorite movie? That time the question will be get, isn't it? The answer will be get which movie is his favorite movie. Here using what, which, whose, we can frame question, we can ask question to others. These type of questions we can consider as interrogative adjectives. By using the interrogative adjectives like what, which, whose, we can frame the question with noun to ask question to others. The next type is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show the position and always come before noun. It also saying about the possession and also it will come before the nouns. Example, is your brother playing cricket? Is your brother. It's also showing the possession. Is that your brother playing cricket? Such kind of possession we can use in this possessive by using this possessive adjectives. Is your brother. That also shows the possession. It comes before noun. This is possessive adjectives. Okay everyone, today we had discussed adjectives and its different types. We can see in the next video. Okay, thank you.